Hi guys! In the present age, the number of users of cryptocurrencies has risen, and so has the number of scammers. Cryptocurrencies are important and expensive. No one would want to be scammed and lose money. So choosing an easy-to-use, fast, and secure wallet for keeping your cryptocurrency is as important as locking the main door of your house at night. Moreover, in the crypto world, trends change instantly, so you need to access your cryptocurrency more efficiently for excelling in this crypto world. For this purpose today, I'm going to show you the most secure crypto mobile wallet, the Trust Wallet. We will also check out the Trust Wallet token and its price prediction in 2023. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain in a fun way. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. What is a Trust Wallet? This world of crypto operates very fast, so you have to be rapid. What better way is there to access your currency than the phone in the pocket of your jeans? For this purpose, digital mobile wallets were built. One of them, the Trust Wallet, is a decentralized, non-custodial, multi-cryptocurrency wallet application that allows users to fully control digital assets like cryptocurrencies and non-fungible token (NFTs). With Trust Wallet, you can securely store, send, and receive popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more. Trust Wallet is Binance's official cryptocurrency wallet that provides secure and easy access to 65 blockchains and more than 4.5 million crypto assets. Why Trust Wallet? Trust Wallet's most promising feature is its security, but besides, it has such benefits that are eye-catching, such as its multi-cryptocurrency feature. Not like other wallets in the market, which usually support ERC20 tokens, Trust Wallet supports ERC20, ERC223, and ERC721 tokens. Easy to use and engaging user interface that allows users to manage multi-cryptocurrencies in one wallet. NFT support. With Trust Wallet, not only you can buy and sell NFTs, but also store them securely. Staking and reward feature. With a trusted wallet, you can stake your currency in multi-coins and earn rewards, more like profits. Pricing is very feasible as you can make a trusted wallet and make transactions for free, but network charges are applied which vary. One feature includes flexible purchases. With Trust Wallet, users can purchase cryptocurrencies from third-party platforms such as Wire, MoonPay, and Simplex with ease. Users can also conveniently transfer digital assets from other wallets to Trust Wallet with the help of a secret recovery phrase, private key, or key store file. Moreover, Trust Wallet also offers users a variety of features such as wallet-to-wallet transfers, access to decentralized exchanges, and others. Dapps Browser. Trust Wallet's built-in Dapps Browser is a revolutionary feature that provides users with a seamless way to access Ethereum-based and BNB chain-based dApps. Users don't need to create a new account for each dApp they use, as they can access them directly through the Trust Wallet app. The app also ensures that the dApps it makes available to its users are trustworthy and secure. To do this, Trust Wallet carries out thorough vetting processes on all available dApps, ensuring that only the most reliable ones are made available to its users. This feature makes Trust Wallet a secure and efficient way to access a wide range of Ethereum and BNB chain-based dApps. Supported dApps include Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and OpenSea. How does Trust Wallet works? Trust Wallet creates a connection between blockchain nodes and users. It provides access to different blockchains and their respective public addresses while being completely decentralized and non-custodial. The application is available for download on both Android and iOS devices and does not store any user information, keeping all contact information for transacting parties only. Trust Wallet does not share user information with any third parties. Although Trust Wallet provides several advantages, there are some cons attached as well. For instance, customer support is limited, as the team only offers assistance via email and not through more direct channels like chat or phone calls. Additionally, the app does not currently support hardware wallets for offline storage. However, Trust Wallet has stated that this is a feature that is in their plans for the future. Setting Trust Wallet. To set up an account with Trust Wallet, download and install the app on a mobile device. It is available on both Android and iOS. Then, click Create New Wallet and accept the privacy policy and terms of service. Users will then be prompted to create a 6-digit password, which provides access to the wallet. This code must be kept safe and never shared. Furthermore, it is important to back up the wallet to ensure that it is recoverable if the mobile device it's currently on is lost or compromised. As Trust Wallet is non-custodial, the user needs to secure their wallet. Write down the 12-word recovery phrase and click the words in the correct order to verify. To purchase a coin or token, select it from the Buy menu on the main wallet screen. The user will then be connected to a third-party provider. It is important to verify the fees related to the transaction, as fiat money is used to purchase the coin. Choose a preferred payment method and hit Confirm. Once the payment is complete, funds will appear in the designated wallet address. Trust Wallet Token, TWT. Trust Wallet Token, TWT, is a cryptocurrency token that is native to the Trust Wallet mobile app. It is used to pay for certain services on the Trust Wallet platform, such as transaction fees, and it can be used to reward loyalty to the platform. Trust Wallet Token is a deflationary asset, meaning the total supply is limited and will decrease over time as users burn tokens for certain services. The current price of Trust Wallet Token is $1.46 in late February 2023, and the 24-hour trading volume is $25.5 million. The tokens in circulation out of a total of $1 billion are $416.5 billion. Analysts have predicted that in 2023, the price of Trust Wallet Token is expected to reach a minimum price value of $2.02. The TWT price can reach a maximum price value of $2.38, with an average value of $2.07. And by 2025, it is expected to raise to $3.05 and could rocket to the value of $26 by the year 2030. So, if you wanted to join Trust Wallet now, is the time, as the Trust Wallet token is going to rocket. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. Tell us what you want to learn about next. And be aware that the price prediction is according to the sources, but it should not be taken as financial advice. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more price prediction videos like this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.